Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing this Pretty in Plaid redheaded Barbie doll so I can have it to model all of the outfits that I plan on doing. I'm also going to do this outfit too with the Human Barbie Challenge. It's a cute plaid dress with daisies on it. And I wanted to have this redheaded doll so I could have one that looks more like myself. For those of you that subscribe for the nails, I did my daisy nails to match the box and the Barbie, and so here goes. And this outfit definitely has spring vibes with the daisies and the brightly colored yellow and green plaid. So I'll be doing the human version of this outfit in the spring. And right now I just want to get the doll unboxed so I can do some more winter outfits on this doll. And here are the shoes. And here she is. So her hair will need to be fixed and she'll be ready for all of my Human Barbie challenges. Okay, then it's also some pamphlets in here. That's kind of cool because there's next ones that you could collect. So yeah, there's a lot of different ones to here, which is cool to have because I didn't, know what was out there, and so more stuff to collect here. So if there's any you like, just tell me which ones you think are cool of those. And there's this. So that was kind of cool to have, different ones. There's some cool ones on there. But that one right there was one, I had that one when I was a kid. So yeah, the Kelly doll there. So yeah, some cool stuff. So yeah, I'm glad that I unboxed it, and be seeing more of her in my other videos. So subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.